I'm just going to do another short video. This one's about seeds this time. Now I've been stripping some seed heads down. These are mixed collarettes, which is all sorts of different things. There's quite a few seeds in there. I'm not even a fraction of the way through them yet. Now a while ago I posted some that I'd hybridised special with what they call Gazana bags or something, but I used fruit bags. Now these was rhubarb and custard pollinated by a dark leaf, a very, very dark black leaf. I got 21 seeds out of that. I'm sorry I didn't do more heads now, but 21 seeds. I'm just hoping there's some very dark leaf, nice collarettes come out of that, because rhubarb and custard is a great seed parent. This is the same idea. This is V20 or Orange Hype, pollinated by rhubarb and custard. There's about 35 seeds in there, I think. And this one is rhubarb and custard, pollinated by U20. Now, I was tempted to put these in now under the lights in there and heat, just to see if I got any dark leaf crosses off this one. But I thought if I did and they germinate, I've got to keep them alive all winter, so I think I'll just contain myself and wait till spring for that. These are U20 seeds. Excuse my tools all over, this is my little workshop. These are U20s that I've already done, and if you look at that, there's thousands of seeds in there up to now. And I've just picked these seed heads, which I'm squoze and letting dry out. Rhubarb and custard, there's a few on there. There's a few rhubarb and custard down there, which is drying out nicely. There's a few more dried up mixed seed heads in there, which I just keep rubbing together so all the seeds will fall out and drop to the bottom. And they should be at the bottom of there. Now these are cuttings. This is my new light system I bought. It's a grow light with all the full spectrum of rays and everything that they need. Now in there I took about 24 rhubarb and custard cuttings, but some of them went black. I think I must have had it too wet and died off. Now the ones that say 003 are the orange seedling that I'm keeping. I've just took a few cuttings to put in just as a safeguard in case I lose them. I've actually got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 9 safeguard cuttings there, and the rest are rhubarb and custard. The temperature's round about just below 80, so it's a bit high, but you can't do nothing else about it really. Welcome to my scruffy workshop. Okay, back to you.